Ice climbing, yeah, it's adrenaline,
Okay.
which is nice, and then you get to be outside. I love skiing and the
Yeah.
mountains, and then ice climbing I think is the next progression
Yeah.
in skiing and climbing. It's the next winter fun thing to do. And first day was much more what I like, which was fighting through the forest, climbing up frozen waterfalls between the trees, and then climbing a nice pitch at the top, and then coming down in the dark always adds to the excitement.
Can I just ask you a quick question? Are you comfortable?